Yeah, just a little bit of rain, a little bit of drizzle and raindrops out there, but the clouds are starting to clear out. So if you're headed west, we already have the sunshine breaking through there. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet as we head into the middle and end part of the work week with maybe a little bit of unsettled weather by the weekend. But next 3 days are looking good. If you're traveling here across Iowa, we're looking fine as far as travel plans go. I think Thursday for Thanksgiving is going to end up sunny and mostly dry. We're looking from our Skycam here in West Des Moines, looking off to the east here, and you can see the cloud covers hanging out, or the cloud cover, I should say, hanging over downtown Des Moines. A little bit of a shake in the camera from the winds. It will be breezy today. We've got sustained winds here at about 15 miles per hour. Gusts higher than that. With the northwest wind bringing in some of that colder air, check out the feels like temperature. Feels more like 32 right now here in West Des Moines. So we've got a little bit of a wind chill to contend with here for the lunch hour. That's the case for a lot of spots in the metro area. Most of us feeling like the low to mid 30s here as we head into the noon hour. Now, we are starting to see the clearing though. We've got sunshine up in Algona, Fort Dodge, places across western Iowa, and then we've just got some cloud cover just hanging out right over central portions of Iowa through north central Iowa and into the southern portions of the state. So there is some clearing. The back edge of that line already worked its way through Dallas County, and eventually we'll get clearing here and downtown Des Moines for places also like Ankeny. Ames also going to see a little bit of sunshine today. The rain yesterday, this is clearly not working out for me, but the rain that we picked up yesterday is 0.07 of an inch, and we'll add to those rainfall totals with the rain that we had left over this morning. So picking up some useful rain, again, not a lot, and will probably not make much of a dent for our drought situation. But again, we'll take the rain while we have it because we kind of dry things out through the rest of the week. The wind gusts, as I mentioned, strongest to the north and west, where we've had gusts close to 40 miles per hour up towards Spencer, 26 mile per hour gusts there in Fort Dodge, and low 30 mile per hour wind gusts for both Ames and Des Moines. So breezy afternoon, sunshine eventually. At least we get a few hours of sunshine with the early sunset. It won't be much, but skies clear out tonight, and then we drop back into the 20s overnight tonight. Model's doing a pretty good job here with the cloud cover that we have in place right now. Then we see some clearing here late today and overnight tonight. We're back to more sunshine as we head into the day on Wednesday. Those gusts though today and tonight out of the north and west. A little bit of a break overnight tonight, and then I think Wednesday will also be breezy. Not as strong of a wind gusts here for tomorrow. They'll be out of the south, so that'll help warm us up a little bit, but gusts tomorrow to about 20 miles per hour. Today, we'll likely end up in the low to mid 40s this afternoon. Some late day sunshine. Best spots to see more sunshine are going to be west of the metro area. And then tonight, everyone falls below freezing into the low to mid 20s. Tomorrow's forecast has us back to the low and mid 50s. More sunshine expected here for your Wednesday. 8-day forecast looks like this. Low 40s on Turkey Day. We're talking mid 30s on Friday though. Chance for some snowflakes over the weekend, especially Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Jody.